Hi, this is Sato. What I'll talk about in this video is 3 famous places in Shimoji Island, which is next to Irabu Island. The first one is 17 Beach. It takes about 30 minutes from Miyako Airport and just over 10 minutes from Shimoji Airport by car. The beach is near Shimoji Airport, so you might think that you can get to this beach soon from the airport, but actually you need to take a detour. There is no shortcut, so you just have to go along the shape of the runway of the airport. I think the most attractive thing about this beach is definitely to be near Shimoji Airport. The upper left dots on the screen are rocks. When the tide is out, you can walk to these rocks and take Instagrammable pictures. More and more tourists visit this shallow emerald beach every year. If you can visit the beach at the low tide, on a sunny day, and at a time when an airplane lands, you are a lucky person. The dreamlike scenery will remain in your memory forever. The beach has no toilets and shower rooms, so please come here considering that. About food and drink, I often see a couple of food trucks here selling like a mango smoothie, but there is no vending machine. So if you want to drink something here, you will buy it at the food truck or at a convenience store beforehand. Japanese guys cherish the cleanness, so you must not throw away trash. You need to bring it back or take it out at designated places. This beach is not suited for snorkeling because coral has not developed here, but there is a famous snorkeling spot called中之島Beach, so the beach makes up for it. I'll introduce it at the end of this video. Travelers come here by car, jet ski, kayak, and SUP. There are many ways to come here, so why don't you enjoy yourself here in the way you like. The next one I'll talk about is Torike. As you can see, there are 2 holes here, and the one is 75 meters in diameter, and the other is 55 meters in diameter. The white line in the middle of the screen is a walkway, and it is well ventilated, so I felt refreshed. Torike used to be a limestone cave, but this place was subsided by the movement of the Earth's crust and was eroded by seawater, leading to the current shape. These holes are linked in the sea, and the hole near the seaside is also linked to the open sea. Thanks to the configurations, some marine shops conduct tours for diving under Torike. So you might find people diving in holes. Personally, I haven't experienced diving here, but judging from the videos people posted, it seems very good. It takes like 3 minutes by car from both of 17 Beach and Nakanoshima Beach to get to Torike. So I guess some travelers may go to those 3 places in a day. You can make a nice day only within Shimoji Island. Well, the last one is Nakanoshima Beach. This beach is famous for a snorkeling spot. This beach is not so spacious, but you can enjoy watching various kinds of fish here. This beach ranges from about 2 to 10 meters in depth, and you can watch fish around the depth. Only about 10 cars can be parked, so you may have difficulty parking during the busy time and seasons. This beach is really popular, but as you can see, there are many rocks everywhere. So please be careful not to crash your head onto the rocks. Also, you have to pay attention to an offshore current. As the seashore becomes shallower, the sea starts to wave like the white caps on the right side of the screen. The wave is really powerful, so you had better not swim around it. Even if you swim over the big rock on the right side of the screen, you can fully enjoy snorkeling. Do not try to swim far out. At Nakanoshima Beach, water accidents happen every year. It often makes the news. Safety first. Please guarantee safety by putting on life jackets and not swimming and diving alone. By the way, you have bad reception here, so please remember that. There are many shells at this beach, so if you have kids, they will get pleased with it. This beach has no shower rooms and toilets. I saw some people preparing some bottles of water and put them on their cars. While snorkeling, it becomes warmer and then they use it when living. It is the wisdom of people. The 3 places I talked about in this video are within the stone's throw, so you can enjoy Shimoji Island only at those places. Why don't you visit this island everyone from children to adults can enjoy? Thank you very much for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.